my regular customers called me to fix their dishwasher. Also, I'm gonna check the stove because it's kind of sparking a lot. Let's go and troubleshoot it.